Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about how to make an empty file in Linux. So at first we open our terminal. Then the command is touch and then the file name. Let's the file name is file and the file type is text and hit the enter button. So here is our file. So our file is empty. If we want to see the elements of this file, then we can use the command cat command cat and then the file name and hit the enter button. Here our file is blank, so we don't get any output. So that's for today. If you like this video, then like it and subscribe this channel. Thank you.